Pop Mart is a rapidly growing global entertainment and pop culture company, known primarily for its designer toys. Ximending is a popular and vibrant shopping district in Taipei, making it an ideal location for a Pop Mart store. The Pop Mart in Ximending is particularly large, with multiple floors dedicated to their products. To get here, you may take the MRT to Ximending Station. Getting an Easy Card will make using public transportation very simple. Using an Easy Card also gives you a discount on train fares. You may buy your Easy Card via CLOT and pick it up upon arrival at the airport. Use the code JAZZDIDITCLOT to get 5% off. If you don't have CLOT yet, download the app and use code SNH64 to get 250 pesos off. This branch in Ximending has been described as a Pop Mart museum by some due to its size and the wide variety of merchandise available. Pop Mart specializes in designer toys, particularly blind boxes. These are sealed packages containing collectible figures, adding an element of surprise to the purchase. Popular character lines include Hirono, Molly, Dimoo, Skull Panda, and Labubu. The Pop Mart in Ximending is a very popular destination for those who are fans of Pop Mart toys. It is known that it can become very crowded, especially during peak times like weekends.
Meron pala sa taas. Ito siya.
While in Taipei, you can also visit another Pop Mart store. Located in Shinkong Mitsukoshi Mall in Taipei, this branch is smaller than the one in Ximending. But like other Pop Mart stores, this branch is also busy and you will often see a queue to get in. This Pop Mart store in Shinkong Mitsukoshi Building 3 is accessible via MRT Zhongshan Station. Thank you for joining me on this virtual tour, and I hope you'll have the chance to visit Taipei in person soon. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more travel and cultural insights. Until next time, happy exploring. Unboxing my Hirono X CLOT blind box.
Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe. See you on the next video.